This is a 2017 Chevy Camaro SS package with the 6.2. It's got a nice custom axle back dual exhaust system. Took the factory muffler off. That joker goes clear across the back. It's a dual in, dual out. Takes up a lot of room there. You just put on the single chamber V2 mufflers. Left the factory tips on there. Left the factory cats and the factory X pipe on there. Just give it a good rumble. That's all the customer's looking for. Let's see what it sounds like. I definitely woke it up. Nice and smooth. Doesn't have all that straight pipe gargle. They always sound a little better after they warm up for a minute.